This is how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily, so let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Instagram app and then log into your account and then click on the profile icon at the very bottom right corner. Then click on the three vertical lines at the very top right corner. Now click on the settings and here simply click on the help. Click on help center here, and in your help center click on the three lines at the very top right corner and then click on the manage your account. Then you will be here, simply click on delete your account. Here again click on delete your account and then click on temporarily deactivate your account. So once you are here, you have to just scroll down and now click on delete your Instagram account. So now click on Android app help and then click on mobile browser help. So then you will be here, simply scroll down and then click on delete your account. Once you click on it, you have to just select the reason why do you want to deactivate or delete your account. As we want to deactivate our account, so simply click on the deactivate Instagram account here. So then you will be here at this interface. Now what you need to do, simply scroll down and then select any of the reason here. Again scroll down and then put here your Instagram account password and then finally click on temporary deactivate account. Once you're done, your account will be deactivated. So yes, that's all for this video. I hope this video was a big help for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.